Welcome to today's video where we will dive into the in-depth review of the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. This card is often considered a solid option for those looking to build or rebuild their credit. We will cover everything you need to know from its features to its drawbacks so you can make an informed decision. So, a secured credit card is a financial tool designed to help individuals establish or improve their credit scores. Unlike traditional credit cards, which extend a line of credit based on your creditworthiness, secured cards require a cash deposit as collateral. This deposit, which ranges from $49 to $200 for the Capital One Platinum Secured Card, determines your initial credit limit, typically starting at $200. This means you are essentially borrowing against your own money, making it a lower risk for the issuer. So, the Capital One Platinum Secured Card is primarily geared towards credit building. When it doesn't offer the flashy rewards or bonuses seen with other cards, it does provide some essential features. First off, there is no annual fee. So, one of the standout benefits is that there is no annual fee, making it a cost effective option for those focused on improving their credit. Capital One automatically reviews your account as early as 6 months to determine if you are eligible for a credit line increase. This could be an early step towards transitioning from a secured to an unsecured card. The card reports your payment history to all three major credit businesses. By making timely payments and maintaining a low credit utilization ratio. You can gradually improve your credit score. The card offers the ability to set up account alerts, automatic payments through the mobile app. These tools are crucial in ensuring you never miss a payment, a key factor in credit score improvement. If your card is lost or stolen, you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges. Additionally, you can lock your card temporarily through the app until it's found. With this card, you get free access to the Capital One's CreditWise tool, which helps you monitor your credit score and provides tips for improvement. Now, it's important to consider the cost associated with the card. So, the annual percentage rate, which is also called APR for purchases and balance transfers, is a steep 30.74%. While this may seem high, you can avoid paying interest entirely by ensuring you pay off your balance in full each month. Now, cash advances are highly discouraged due to their additional fee and the same high APR of 30.74%. For this reason, it's advisable to avoid using the feature unless absolutely necessary. If you receive a promotional APR offer in the future, the fee for balance transfers will be 4% for the transfer amount. However, given the high APR, balance transfers might not be the best use of this card. Now, while the Capital One Platinum Secured Card is a solid option for credit building, it's worth exploring alternatives. For instance, the Discover It Secure card also offers credit building feature but as a rewards program. With Discover, you can earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants and 1% on other purchases. Plus, Discover matches all cashback earned in the first year effectively by providing a sign-up bonus. So, in conclusion, the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card is best suited for those whose primary goal is to build or rebuild their credit without incurring annual fees. However, if earning rewards is also important to you, the Discover It Secured Card might be a better fit. Ultimately, the choice depends on your financial goals and spending habits. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider exploring more content on financial tools and credit building strategies.